Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2017 Kawasaki Ninja Z-650. This bike only has 6,000 miles and is offered for $52.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is very similar to the Ninja 650 they've been making for several years, except it has a fairings removed on it, so it's what we call the naked version. This one also has a fender eliminator kit on the back, so you can see there's real clean lines on the back. Tail end also has an aftermarket exhaust that you'll get to hear in just a moment. Has great sounds. We did an oil change, safety check on it, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.